Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
When I was a child, I wished to touch the sky. But I couldn't. I wanted to pluck the fruit that was on the highest branch of the tree, as then I would be closer to the sky, just like that apple. The first time I saw your father, he was like a ripe fruit located on the highest branch of a tree that no one could reach. He was handsome, noble, chaste, with a radiant face. God accepted Amina's plea and made Abdullah part of her destiny, even though this union only lasted 2 months. It was like a sweet and peaceful dream.
Mother, I have bought an apple for you.
Quicker.
Open your eyes wider, my dear.
The difficulty of journey is not good for your health.
I am feeling better. I can manage the journey. I have to deliver Abdullah's trust.
I will not insist more. I will pray for you. My dear Mohammed, know that this is also your home.
I will miss the city.
We will also miss you. Have a safe journey. Move out. Get going. Get going.
I need to know what is happening with Mohammed and Amina. I dreamt that I was extremely thirsty. But instead of my dried lips, I saw myself plunging the lifeless body of Mohammed into water. I do not know its interpretation.
Water?
I cannot think of an answer. It has made me restless. Its interpretation is you're going. Go now.
Welcome, O son of Abdul Muttalib.
Why all this fear?
We thought that you might have been of the thugs again.
Bandits?
They were not thieves. A day ago, they attacked our caravan, but they were not after goods.
What were they after?
They unveiled that they were searching for a mother and a child.
Where are they?
While traveling, Amina's health deteriorated, so we were constrained to take her to a village called Abwa.
Abwa? What did you say to the assailants?
We did not tell them about the village. We told them that they returned to Yathrib.
Thank you. Let's go.
Do not worry. Come. It is raining, as if it will never stop. But finally it came to an end. The stars then came out abundant and entertaining, as if they were endless. But on daybreak, their lifespan also comes to an end. One day, this world will come to an end, and the only that will remain is love and affection. Just like the sweet scent of your hand which has accompanied you all the way from Yathrib.
Sir, Amna has passed away.
What happened?
The daughter-in-law of Bani Hashim has left us. Mohammed has fallen ill.
Mohammad?
What happened to him?
He could not handle the separation, fever of losing his mother, sir.
Mohammad.
His body is heating up. His fever is not coming down.